In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar. If you want someone else to view your schedule, help manage events, or stay updated on important dates, sharing a Google Calendar is a simple and useful feature. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it from your computer browser in a clear and easy way. To begin, open Google Calendar on your computer. This process works best in a desktop browser since the sharing settings are easiest to access there. Once Google Calendar loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that area, you'll see a section called My Calendars. This is where all of your personal and connected calendars are listed. Now find the specific calendar you want to share. This is important because many people have more than one calendar, such as a personal calendar, a work calendar, or calendars for projects and events. When you've found the right one, hover your mouse over the calendar name. As you do that, a 3-dot icon will appear next to it. Click those 3 dots to open the More Options menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and Sharing. This will open the settings page for that particular calendar. On this page, you'll find several options related to visibility, permissions, and sharing. Take a moment to make sure you're still editing the correct calendar before moving on. Next, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Share with Specific People or Groups. This is the area that lets you invite individual people directly, rather than making the entire calendar broadly visible. Once you're there, click Add People and Groups. A field will appear where you can enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type in their email address carefully to make sure the invitation goes to the right person. As you type, Google may also suggest contacts you've interacted with before, which can make the process even faster. After entering the email address, you'll be ready to continue with the sharing setup from there, depending on the permission level you want that person to have. Just be mindful when sharing calendars, especially if they contain private appointments or sensitive scheduling details. It's always a good idea to double-check who you're sharing with before sending the invitation. And that's how to share a Google Calendar using the settings for a specific calendar in Google Calendar on your computer. Once you know where to look, the process is quick and straightforward.